Welcome to our video on how to create the perfect home garden. Are you looking to add a touch of nature to your outdoor space? A home garden can provide you with fresh produce, herbs, and flowers, as well as create a beautiful outdoor space for relaxation and enjoyment. Plus, the sense of accomplishment that comes with creating and maintaining a garden is unparalleled. So, where do you start? Here are the 5 key steps to creating the perfect home garden. Step 1. Determine the size and location of your garden. Consider the amount of sunlight and space available, and choose a location that is easily accessible and visible. Step 2. Select your plants. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and soil type, and consider the size and maintenance needs of each plant. Mix and match different types of plants, such as vegetables, flowers, and herbs, to create a diverse and interesting garden. Step 3. Prepare the soil. Before planting, test the pH of your soil and add compost or other amendments as needed to improve the soil quality. Proper soil preparation will help ensure that your plants have the nutrients they need to thrive. Step 4. Create a layout and design. Use a garden plan or sketch out your own design, considering the height, color, and texture of each plant. Leave room for growth and proper spacing between plants. Step 5. Maintenance and care. Once your garden is planted, provide proper maintenance and care to keep it thriving. Water regularly, fertilize as needed, and monitor for pests and diseases. Deadhead and prune as needed to keep your garden looking its best. Creating the perfect home garden takes time and effort, but the sense of accomplishment and enjoyment that comes with it is worth it. So don't be afraid to start your own home garden and experiment with different plant combinations and designs. We hope these tips have inspired you to start your own home garden and bring a touch of nature to your outdoor space. You can read more on our blog at freshkit.co.uk and follow us on social media for the latest tips, guides and articles for your life, your home and your garden. Thanks for watching.